Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorials how to use sheet metal. To create sheet metal, we need to create for simple sketch. Like here, I will create sketch to top plan, and as example, I will draw rectangle. Okay. Now go to sheet metal tools, click at this drop-down menu, and then click sheet metal model. We show for sheet metal model dialog box. In here you can convert like with extrude and thickens. If you use extrude, if we click on the lines like this, or the other option we can use thickens. Extrude for closing entities. So you can select at this rectangle. You also can set for bend radius in here, and this is for thickness. I will set bend radius like into 1 and thickness 1. Okay, to apply. The next we can also create with these flank tools. You can select and click at this edge to create flanks. Click again in it and also at this point. If you done, you can click OK. Create again flanks. This edge. And you can set for bend angles like 45 degree. This for distance, like we set into 30 for distance. Click OK again to apply. This for flank. And the other we also can use for hem. I will select at this edge. Then set for in place, and the other option is for outer. And this is for in place. For total length, you can set into 3 for total length. You done, click OK again. You also can view for flattens in these sheet metals by clicking at these icons, sheet metal tables and flat view. So this is for flat view, and this is for the tables. When A, B, C, F, and G. You done, you can click here again to hide. And to go into part, you can click these tools, drop-down menu, and click finish sheet metal models. So it will be automatically convert this metal into part one. Okay. Okay, that's it for basic Onshape tutorials how to use sheet metal tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.